Hi everyone and welcome to DisplayRepair.com. This video is meant as an update on a video made in 2019 on how to polish your car headlights using home remedies, namely toothpaste. If you want to see how this method held up over time and was it worth the work, stay tuned. DisplayRepair.com. So the last video was made in August of 2019, now is June 2020, and roughly 10 months and a winter season has passed. As you can hopefully see, the headlights are still in good condition, but the truth is that I had to make a small intervention in the meantime to keep the headlights in good condition. About a month ago, a haze started to form again on both of the headlights. So what I did is I took the glass cleaner again, some paper towels, cleaned the headlights, and made one pass with the same polishing wax I used in my previous video. So I applied one layer, let it dry up, and used some clean cotton cloth to polish it up. Now these are both of the headlights after the additional polishing. They look pretty good. So would I recommend the toothpaste method? Definitely yes. Under the circumstance that the headlight wasn't badly scratched in the first place, it's definitely worth the try. Also, for a relatively cheap procedure, all you need is some toothpaste, which everybody has around the house, and some polishing wax, which is about 10 euros a package. If you already don't have any, you can get pretty good results, which will last for a couple of months. Even if they don't last that long, all you'll have to do is some additional polishing, which won't take more than half an hour of your time. Thanks for watching. I hope the video helped. Give us a like and subscribe. Also, if you find the time, visit us at DisplayRepair.com, where you can find more useful car and driving tips. Thanks for watching.